Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you here on our YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about practice set 3.3 mathematics part 1, and in this video we are going to study about synthetic division method. Look in your textbook page number 46. First question here, 2m square minus 3m plus 10 divided by m minus 5. Okay student, we have two polynomials, and by using synthetic division method we have to solve these two polynomials here. So first of all student, we have to write here that only coefficient from the given numbers. If you see student, here divisor is here m minus 5. So at the time of solving synthetic division method you have to take here plus 5, means draw this way, here is plus 5. Then student, you have to write the coefficient like with me here. Write down this coefficient here too, then here minus 3 and here 10 now. Okay, divide these numbers, divide this polynomial by here m minus 5, but instead of that minus 5 we are using here plus 5 now. This is your first step student. Now next one, we have to shift this number, means drag this number as it is here now. Divide this. Okay, now after this multiply these two numbers, 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10 here. Then now check here, minus 3 plus 10 becomes plus 7. Once again multiply these two numbers and write your answer here. 5 7s are 35 here, and right now here 35. Now lastly 35 plus 10 becomes 45. The last number indicate to us here, make a box here. This number means here remainder. This number is here a remainder, and then now from remaining coefficients we have to write our final answer here. So we have to write student now below that here coefficient form of quotient. This remaining numbers means the quotient here, coefficient form of quotient here. I am writing here 2 and 7, and from this coefficient form we have to write now the quotient and the remainder here. So we have to write student, therefore now suppose this is which one index, this is 0th index and this one is your first index, means we have to write here 2x plus 7 is our quotient here. So this one is your quotient. Right now here quotient equals to 2x plus 7 here. Okay student, this is your first question and this is your remainder here. After that, now look carefully student, next question here, question number 2 below that. Write down question number 2 now. Second question is also given for us, look carefully. This is our second question student. X raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. We are using here same method now. So that's why once again we are writing here is x plus 2. So write here minus 2. After that, we know student, we are writing here the coefficients from the given polynomial. Here is nothing, means 1 here. Then here is 2. After that here is 3. Here is 4 and here is 5. Okay student. Then now we have to write the same way here. Write this 1 here as it is. Then multiply these two. Minus 2 into 2 becomes minus 2 into 1 becomes minus 2. Then here 2 and minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 becomes 0 here. Now minus 2 into 0 becomes here 0. 3 plus 0, 3 here. Then 3 into minus 2 becomes minus 6. 4 and minus 6 means minus 2 here. Now minus 2 into minus 2 becomes here 2 to the 4 means here plus 4. And 5 plus 4 here 9. This last number indicate to us this is your remainder. And from remaining numbers we are writing here the quotient now. Okay student. So write down here, therefore now below here coefficient form of quotient here, write down inside a bracket 1, then 0, then 3 and here minus 2. Student, here is 0 index, here is first index, then second index and here third index. So we are writing in now here in index form. So write this way, which is equal to suppose here 1x means 1x cube, then here plus 0, no need to write, as well as write this way 0x square, then plus here 3x raised to 1 and then minus 2. You can also write this way, skip this one now, here directly x cube, then you can cancel this 0 term here, so directly right now x cube plus 3x minus 2. This is your question number 2 here. Okay, this is your question. You have to write, this is quotient and this one is here remainder, so remainder is equal to here 9. After that, look carefully the next question, question number 3 here student now. Okay, after this student, question number 3. Question number 3 is here, look carefully, y cube minus 216 here divided by y minus 6. Look carefully student, here is third index is given, not second and first index is mentioned for us, and directly y minus 6 is here. You know already here we have to divide this polynomial by this. Here is y minus 6, so we have to write here plus 6. Then after that, next step here, we are writing only the coefficient here. Here is y cube, means 1 is here. You know second means, okay, square term is not given, so take 0 here. Okay, then index 1 term is not given, so take once again 1 and then here 216, but minus 216 here. Okay student, right now here drag this one as it is here below now, this is 1 here. Then you know the next step here, same way in the previous example, so you have to multiply these two. 6 into 1 becomes 6, 0 and 6 becomes 6, then 6 6 are here 36, 36 in and plus 0 becomes 36, and 36 into 6, 36 into 6 becomes here 216 here. Okay, means plus 216. Now cancel these two, minus 216 and plus 16 becomes here 0. So this is our remainder student, and from the given, okay, from the given coefficient of the quotient we are writing here the quotient. So right now this way student, okay, one statement below, coefficient form of, I am writing this way, coefficient form of the quotient. I write down here 1, then 6 and then here 36. From this one we are writing the index form. This is 0 index, this is first index and this is second index. Means we have to write here student, quotient is equal to here x square, then plus 6x and here plus 36. This is our quotient. Then write down the remainder. You know here this number means the remainder here r equals to here 0. Okay student, this is the answer of the third question here. Now I am explaining the next last question here student, question number 4 now. Look carefully in your textbook once again. Okay student, next question here, question number 4 now. Here the question number 4, 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cube then plus 4x minus 2x square divided by x plus 3 here. Look carefully student, here are two polynomial. Once again we have to divide this polynomial by 3 here, but look carefully, check all the index are given for you. Here is fourth index, here is third index, here is second index and here is first index. Okay, all the index are given here, but they are not in a proper sequence, so we have to write in proper sequence. For example, we have to write this one this way, 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cube, then index term minus 2x square and then plus 4x here. Okay, this is our polynomial. This one is, we convert this way here. Now okay, we have to write this way, here is plus 3, so take student here minus 3. Then next step student, here we are writing here now the remaining coefficient here, here is 2, then here plus 3, then here minus 2 and here plus 4. Okay student, now you know here we have to write this same as it is here, here is 2, then just a minute please. Then next one now student, minus 3 into 2 becomes minus 6 here, and 6, okay, minus 6 plus 3 becomes here minus 3 remains student. Then now multiply this, minus 3 into minus 3 becomes plus 9, and then student here plus 9 minus 2 becomes here 7, 7 3s are minus 21. You know minus 21 and 4 becomes here minus 17. So student, this is remainder here, and now from the coefficient we are writing the index form here. So that's why we have to write one statement, coefficient form of Coefficient form of quotient. Write this once again here student. 2 minus 3 and 7. So we have to write in index form. So obviously this is 0th index, this is first index, this is second index. So right now therefore quotient is equal to here 2x square minus 3x and plus 7. This is your quotient, and then the remainder student right here. Remainder is equal to here minus 70. This is a method of synthetic division method student. Okay, thank you all of you.